Technology has been a game-changer for the manufacturing industry. It holds the promise to improve the quality, efficiency, and effectiveness of a manufacturing company's operations using the power of digital technologies and data, and help achieve long-lasting company-wide impact. At Capgemini, we are pioneering intelligent industry powered by data to accelerate the effectiveness of your digital manufacturing operations at scale. We have partnered with Microsoft to bring your vision of the factory of the future to life. Capgemini's deep industry and strategic expertise and Microsoft's highly secure and innovative Azure IoT capabilities. Together, this powerful combination will help you move beyond piloting point solutions to a more connected, intelligent, and eventually a self-optimizing factory of the future. The journey to your factory of the future requires 3 key ingredients. The first starts with laying a secure, scalable foundation using an intelligent operations platform that will provide shop floor connectivity, data management, and agile app development and integration. The intelligent operations platform will integrate with your existing tech stack, allowing you to add IoT, advanced analytics, AI, and machine learning. Reference architecture built by Capgemini, leveraging all aspects of the highly scalable Azure IoT services, will ensure speed to deployment and move your factory towards autonomous operations. Secondly, we will design a value-based multi-year roadmap that identifies and prioritizes use cases, affording you the flexibility to incrementally develop, innovate, and learn along the way. Finally, we will help you deploy the platform to progressively build new organizational capabilities and transform your underlying operating model. So why wait? Let's get started. It's time to achieve scalable value across your manufacturing operations and move beyond Industry 4.0. It's time to turn your factory of the future into reality. Want to know more? Connect with us now.